Today I'm gonna be trying Wingstop.
First up, we have their new Mexican street spice. Oh, that tastes like elote, all right. It's got a good blend of cheese and spices and a heavy emphasis on the lime flavoring. Let's see how it compares to an actual elote. The tender is definitely more on the saltier end with all the spices. Wingstop corn is top tier. Let's try them bone in. I do prefer to get my bone-in wings with sauce as opposed to the tenders with dry rub because the bone-in tends to come out a little bit drier. They also have a deal going on where you can get 20-piece chicken wings for only 20 bucks. So of course I had to get the garlic parmesan wing and original hot. Pair it up with some habanero lime bulldog. Overall, pretty solid flavor, but I still stand by garlic parm as my #1 favorite.